Hey guys, how's it going? How to track flight prices and get alerts for discount on your phone. So first of all, use flight search engines, Google Flights, right, and basic Google Flights, Skyscanner, or Skyscanner can let you track the prices from point A to point B. Next, what you're gonna do if you have your app on your phone, right? You can make sure to go to the settings, right? And go to the notifications, right? Make sure to download the Sky Scanner and Google Flight, and you're gonna be able right here to see in those apps you're gonna be able to turn it on, right? And for your Google Flights or Skyscanner to get price drop alert, and follow the airlines and travel deal sites. Subscribe to airline newsletter. Of course, they have their own website, right? So make sure to scroll over that. I'm sure you're gonna find a page that allows you to get the price drops, or you could just go ahead simply and download the app from your app store, Google Play, and turn on the notifications so you can get the latest updates. Okay, and get exclusive deals and early access to discount by joining frequent flyer programs that they provide, right? Either Skyscanner, Kayak, Hopper, whatever that might be. Okay, and of course, lastly, check their social media. If you're a frequent user of Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can just go ahead and search for, let's say, Skyscanner, right? Or Google Flights, right? To see the latest update. Okay, so basically that's it. That's another comment to this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.